Good afternoon, LC. I hope you're having a great afternoon and a great day. And as we move into this weekend and the completion of our first week of remote learning, I just kind of wanted to take a step back and recognize some people. Of course, you've been working with your teachers daily by email and by Google Classrooms and online learning materials. And to watch that has been truly magnificent to see how far we've made it after a week. But here at school, I wanted to mention some unsung heroes that have been helping behind the scenes. And so that's kind of my principal's challenge this weekend also is to thank a parapro and a school secretary. And I wanted to show you what's been happening here at Lewis and Clark this week. So the first thing that happened was the great LC rollout, and all of the parents did absolutely amazing. Um, you know, with that drive-through that we had, that was you guys did phenomenal, and we actually got materials out to 100% of our kids, and that's thanks to you parents. We appreciate you. Also, our parapros though, they got roughly about 20,000 steps in between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. So very proud of them for that. That's Mr. Rubbins right there, and he's been helping with the Smiles meals for students during lunch and making sure those kids that need those Smiles bags over the weekend get to the right spots. And all of our parapros have been working all week. Right there you see Mrs. Conrad, Mrs. McKinney, Miss Maxwell, Mrs. Gerch, and Mrs. Brown. And then in the back there, of course, our school secretary, Mrs. C. They're making sure that you guys get your report cards, and I appreciate that. There's Mrs. Connor. She's helping out, and of course there's Mrs. C. That's the only smile really she's had all week because she's so devastated that she can't be around students. And also we've been doing some painting, and I wanted to show you some pictures. So this is Lewis and Clark before our parapros started painting this week, and this is an after picture. And it's just makes the school pop, and I couldn't be more proud of the teamwork and of the hard work that the people on the front lines here at school and our teachers remotely are doing. So we still are doing some great things here at Lewis and Clark. So the principal's challenge is find a way to reach out to these parapros and our school secretaries and just let them know that you're thinking about them because they're thinking about you. You could do that by email. You could comment in the sections below here, below this post, and wanted to let you know that we still miss you and we wish you were here. But we're going to do our best during this closure. Thank you. Remember to use the hashtag Golden Eagle Strong. Thanks, guys.